It's practically a tomato salad in a glass, and I don't hate that. Hey, I'm Michelle from Cup of Zest, and today we are gonna make a big batch Bloody Mary that you and your friends can customize to your heart's content. Let's get started. Let's start with our tomato juice. Now this is my favorite Bloody Mary recipe. Super easy, it's a great base to start with. You know, it's all good. We're gonna do 8 ounces of vodka. We're gonna do 8 ounces of vodka, and if you want more than an ounce of vodka per serving, you want a little boozier, totally go for it. 4 ounces of pickle juice. There you go. Well, I didn't make too much of a mess this time. We need juice of 1 lemon. Squeeze this a little bit. You want about an ounce. Oh yeah, it's about good. All right, I don't want any of those seeds in there, so I'm just gonna do this. We're gonna add some freshness with this dill, if I can pick it up, I don't know. Just gonna go ahead and chop this up a little bit. You want about a tablespoon. If you don't like dill, you can do like parsley. That would totally work. 1 tablespoon, that's good. Get it all in there. Then we're gonna do a teaspoon of celery salt. Nice level teaspoon. There we go. A teaspoon of prepared horseradish. Yum, it smells nice and spicy. That's good. And then a teaspoon of Worcestershire. To make it a little spicy, because it should be a little spicy. And then about a 1/4 teaspoon of hot sauce, whatever your favorite hot sauce is. And some freshly cracked pepper. Give it a little stir. And this looks good to go. So this needs to chill for like 2 hours before it's ready to serve. So we're gonna pop it in the fridge and then we'll get to customizing it. You're basically gonna make a Bloody Mary bar. I've got lots of fun things out. Do whatever you want, like put out meats, cheese, whatever, but this is what I like to do. Lots of fresh veggies, pickles, some olives, a little meat situation, and I've got some spices going on over here too. So like, I've got some extra hot sauce, some smoked salt, a little smoky Bloody Mary would be really nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and build my favorite Bloody Mary. So first you're gonna go ahead and take some of the mix. And then you're gonna add in all your favorite things. I'm gonna go from some of this chili garlic sauce, maybe a little bit of the smoked salt. I'm gonna go for a little extra olive juice because I like briny, salty things. And a squeeze of lime. Give it a little stir. Add some ice. Come on, ice. Yeah, I can do this. And a nice big piece of celery. Look at this. This is perfection right here. Now, brunch is not complete without some food, right? So make sure to check out my other brunch recipes right here. And let's taste this baby. Yes, love.